Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing the class not registered error on Windows 11. This usually happens when you try to open a photo, video, or specific app, and the system forgets which program to use. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common reason for this error is that the specific app you are trying to use, like the Photos app or Calculator, has corrupted files. We can fix this easily in Settings. Go ahead and click on your Start button and open up the Settings gear icon. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps and then select Installed Apps. Now think about which app gave you the error. If it happened when opening a picture, search for Photos. If it was a web link, search for Edge or your browser. Once you find the app in the list, click the three dots on the right side and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Reset section. First, click the Repair button. This attempts to fix the app without deleting your data. If the button is grayed out or the error persists, go ahead and click Reset. Keep in mind, Reset deletes the app's cache, so you might need to sign in again, but it usually clears the error immediately. If the error is happening with the desktop or file folders themselves, we need to refresh the Windows Explorer interface. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time to open the Task Manager. If it looks small, click More Details at the bottom. In the Processes list, scroll all the way down to the bottom where the Windows processes are listed. Look for Windows Explorer, which looks like a yellow folder icon. Right-click on it and select Restart. Your taskbar will disappear and reappear for a second. This resets the file registration system in the background. Finally, if the computer just doesn't know which app to use, we need to manually force the association. Head back into Settings and click on Apps again. This time, click on Default Apps. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says Reset All Default Apps. You can click Reset here to restore everything to factory settings, which is the nuclear option. Or, a better way is to search for the specific file type at the top. For example, type .jpg or .mp4. Click on the icon that appears, even if it already looks correct, and select the app you want to use again from the list. Click Set Default. This forces Windows to re-register that specific class or file link. And that's it. You should now be able to open your files and apps without seeing that error message. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.